Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here at Sherry Jeep. Today I'm featuring a brand new addition here at the dealership and a new product for this year. This is a 2021 Jeep Renegade, which we have all seen, but this has a special edition. This is the Jeepster edition. So we're going to go over this vehicle and what that means today. So starting up front here, this has the really pretty Colorado red paint with black accent. And notice the black accenting on the 7-slotted Jeep grille really sets off the front of this Jeep Renegade. So we come around to the side here. Part of the Jeepster package is the wheels and tires. So you get a all-terrain tire and a 19-inch granite alloy wheel. 4-wheel disc brakes on this vehicle, really a nice performance feature here. Also has Jeepster badging. For those of you who are real big fans of Jeeps, you probably know the Jeepster name from the 1948, I think, is when they first came out. Really an iconic vehicle. So we come around to the back here. Great size, mid-size SUV. Lift gate is tall enough you can fit underneath it, and a great amount of storage inside here. Now that we've seen the outside of this Jeep, let's go ahead and check out some of the awesome features inside this all-new Jeep Renegade. Come on in, let's check out the inside of this Jeep Renegade. What I love about this, I'm a taller guy, 6 foot tall. I've got all kind of room in here, and for a smaller SUV, this has got to be one of the roomiest out there. Part of the Jeepster package, you're going to get keyless entry with remote start and panic button here. It comes with 2 key fobs. Also get the 7-inch touchscreen radio, which is going to be your AM, FM, and 6 months of free satellite radio from Sirius. Also has a couple cool features with the compass in there built in, and does not have navigation, but it does have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which if you hook that into your phone through these convenient USB ports here, you're going to be able to screenshot or basically mirror your screen from your cell phone to here of your navigation on your phone. Also does text messaging, just super awesome to have. Down through here, it does have dual climate controls. Center shifter here that's connected to the 6-speed automatic a 9-speed automatic transmission. Hooked to the 2.4 liter inline 4-cylinder, get you 30 miles a gallon on the highway, which is unbelievable for a vehicle like this. So this does have a lot of nice safety features in it, one of which is the blind spot mitigation. Right here in the corner of the mirror, there'll be an amber light that shows up to let you know, hey, there's a car over here that you might not be able to see, and that's true on both sides of the vehicle. Now this is brand new vehicle, comes with 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's going to be your engine, transmission, and driveline, and a 3-year, 36,000 mile comprehensive warranty. We welcome to for you to call in or email in with any particular questions you might have. We do offer nationwide shipping, and we are your factory direct pricing on these all-new Jeep Renegade Jeepsters. So with that, my name is Michael Sherry. Brian Haase is behind the camera, and we hope to hear from you soon.